Touring isn't just about covering distance, it's about doing it smartly. Whether you're riding for a weekend or across states, a few smart practices can make a world of difference. Start your day early. It gives you more daylight to ride in, helps you avoid city traffic, and reduces chances of being caught out in the dark in unfamiliar territory. Early starts also allow you to pace yourself better throughout the day. But that doesn't mean you need to push yourself too hard. Take regular breaks. Every 80 to 100 kilometers is a good thumb rule. Stretch, hydrate, and reset. And remember, even the best laid plans don't always go as expected. If you still end up riding into the dark despite an early start, it happens. Just be prepared for it. Because once the light fades, everything changes. Low visibility makes it harder to see and even harder to be seen. If you're riding through fog, dust, or poorly lit roads, just slow things down a bit, keep a safe distance from other vehicles, and stay sharp. If you're using tinted visor or goggle lenses during the day, it's a good idea to swap them out for clear ones as the light drops. Equally important is making sure others on the road can see you. Reflective details on your riding gear or luggage can go a long way in helping you stay visible, making you more visible on the road. And if you're not a fan of bright colored helmets, adding a few reflective stickers is a simple way to stay seen without changing your style. Visibility works both ways. When the light drops, it's one of the simplest ways to stay safe. Got a touring tip that works for you? Drop it in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.